In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your gas cap on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the driver's side in the rear. You're going to find your gas cap door button here, and you're going to just pull up that lever. It'll open the door for you. Use a trim tool and remove your cable. You're just going to pull it out and remove your cap. Do this when the car is not running. Put your cap on. One click. And press it in to the door. Make sure you support the door when you press it in. Test its function. Make sure it doesn't pull out. Replace the cap. Close your door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.